my channel, The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, this is the daily time frame of Bank Nifty chart, and then so there's a gap. So these are the levels that we were looking at. I have marked for today's intraday trading, and there's a gap here, and then there's a supply zone, and there is a demand zone. And what was the previous price action, right? So previous price action or the previous move was a very bullish move, right from this demand zone here, right? So if I shift to one hour time frame, you can see that we can see there is a huge imbalance over here. So this is something that we can observe in 1 hour time frame, and then you can see this supply zone and demand zone as is. And then if I further shift to 15 minutes time frame, we'll talk about the possible trades for today, right? So I have two views actually. So one view is that if Bank Nifty is opening right at the supply zone or hitting this opening gap over here, I could have gone for a selling trade initially, and otherwise the other two possibilities that I was thinking is that, so you can see that fib retracement tool I have turned on 38.2% as well, because based on this huge bullish move, whenever Bank Nifty is hugely bullish, then obviously it sometimes it might not return to this golden fib zone. So based on which I have turned on this 38.2% of fib level. And also you can see that there is a demand zone coming here, right? This is the demand zone. So I have two confirmations over here. Let's say if I'm seeing a bullish price action, I would go long here. That was the first plan. And the second one is, let's say there is a huge imbalance here, and then golden zone of the fib is also aligned with this, within this. So let's say if price is coming and then making a bullish price action pattern somewhere here, I could have gone long. Those are the three possible trades for today that I have planned. Okay, based on which if I shift to lower time frame. So this is the trade I have taken. So I have entered into my bullish trade somewhere here, and then exited somewhere here on top of this move. Okay, and then let me show. So there is, if I show the order book, I have bought 50,300 CE. The first time I have entered into 337, but in then it's a little bit of delay. You can see that I have entered at 367. Okay, 330, almost 30 points late. So because of which, profitability has also decreased, but that's fine. Okay, and then I have averaged 3 times here. You can see that, and then based on the average price, this is the exit and entry. And here also you can see that 37, 48, 34, and then exit is around 77. Okay, overall I made a profit of around 4,500 in Zerodha, and a profit of around 24,000. So overall it's a 28,000 around profit for today. And without any further ado, let's dive into our live trading session and see how we manage the trades there. See you there. Thank you. So Bank Nifty started taking support around the demand zone, and also at the 38.2% of fib level as well. So based on which I have initiated a trade in Zerodha. You can see that, and it's I'm little late to initiate a trade in Dhan. So we'll try to initiate a trade in Dhan as well. So I've just bought 150 quantity of 50,300 call here, based on Bank Nifty is taking support and may further move up from here. So that was the idea based on which we have initiated this trade, since Bank Nifty is taking support at the demand zone and then 38.2% of fib level as well. Okay, so we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. So I will try to add here one more 150 quantity of 50,300 call here. I've just added, and so We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. I will try to add here 300 more quantity if price starts to sustain above the level that we have marked on the premium and also the chat. Yeah, just added 300 more quantity here, and this would be the final averaging that I'm doing. And then the stop loss would be close to the swing low. And yes, based on the best price that we have got by averaging, right? So I'm a little prepared today to take a little bigger risk, and we'll see how this goes on from here. So that's a very long wait, and finally we are getting some momentum in the premium, and also price is trying to move as well from the support zone. And we'll try to exit with good some 40 points around based on the average price. We are sitting on a good quantity, so we can exit with 1:1, so that should be fine. And I'm averaging in the other account as well, in the other screen. Okay, currently we are getting some 12,000 of profit in this trade, so close to 20 points. We'll look for another 20 points and we'll try to exit. So here we can see the resistance, a little bit of a resistance, and we can see a further up move if it breaks. Yeah, we are seeing a spike up in the price. Okay, I'll try to exit all the quantity here, guys. So yeah, we're getting close to 27,000, 28, 30. Yeah, exited the trade, guys. You can see I've just closed the trade with about 24 points. That means close to 40 points I have captured in this trade with the averaged price, and you can see 24,000 is the profit around in dhan, and 4,500 around profit I made in Zerodha. So overall it's around 28,000 profit for today. Hope you have learned something from today's session, and yeah, keep subscribing, and like and share for more such learning content in future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.